Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard with a 10 by 10 inch canvas and some leftover colors. Not sure what I'm going to do. Thinking I'm going to put some... Wow, I'm thinking I put away the gold. No, there it is. Cool. I'm thinking I would like to put some gold on. I may have to look for an edge catcher. I am just going to make an attempt to use what I've got. No idea how this is going to work. Might be tempted to add a little other color. It's time for this to go in the bucket. Pick my favorite color out of there. Alright, so my favorite color out of there is obviously some Purple Flash from Folk-Art. And I have another color I haven't got a chance to use today. Is that it? No, that's not it. It's right. I'm going to knock my torch over if I'm not careful. That's not it either. Where'd it go? I think this must be it. And that is the Venetian Blue from Modern Masters. This is a turquoise that's probably any craft paint. These are some of my favorite colors. Obviously, do I want to put some pink in there? Do I? I'm not sure. In any case, so there's an odd shape. And I can hear the thunder in the background. And I wanted some black earlier. And that's black enamel. And I have an edge catcher. I just happen to have all of my bottles on it. There is some white metallic from Anita's. Alright, I'm done. That's cool. This spatula's going in the bucket. Just going to use the shapes that I got right out of my container. Hope I can keep some of the cool colors I added. I like just adding things from the bottle and then watching them morph and change shape. I also like getting things as close to the edge as I can without going over, but then again I like to have them go over and come back. I'm still going. I'm not liking it more, but I'm not liking it less yet either. See, as I watch the wave of paint, the heaviness, it means I can manipulate it closer to my edge without going over, which is actually kind of challenging and a little fun. I want some more of that white metallic, and I want some more of that turquoise. I'm not sure if I need more of that purple or not. We'll see in a second. I'm going to let all that cool right there really quickly and send it back again and scrape it across. And then I've got paint on my edge catcher. And I can actually just cover the edge with that wet paint right there. I can send that back again. I don't have to do the whole edge. I'm liking what I'm seeing as far as my Purple Flash goes from Folk-Art, and I want to keep it. What else do I want in there? I want more of that blue. I kind of like the black also. It's kind of angular. It's neat. I like it. Let's hope I can keep that purple. In order to keep it, it has to go all the way over and come back. I'm not sure I can get that accomplished, but we'll see in a second. If I can't, I can always put some more in there. I'm just going to keep using the edge catcher's wet paint. definitely melds. But it's kind of cool. I'm not unhappy. I've got some turquoise there. Let's see where this is going to go. Kind of like that white. Trying to do this left-handed, that's crazy. Alright. See if I can save some of that white. Doesn't look like it, but you never know. It could come back. Especially if I scrape it right up. Now, no matter what I do with this, if I get paint on my edge catcher, I can scrape it off and put it back into the composition. I'm just sort of swirling it all around. I lost a lot of the composition that I liked before, but I would have had to stop. I'm not much of one to pour paint away. Because I use GAC 800 by Golden, it means that the paint will usually dry without any cracking, unless it's insanely heavy. So that's pretty cool. I think I might be done. But you can't trust me. She said with a laugh like a crazy woman. What do I want in there? Anything? Sometimes I want spirals. Sometimes I don't. I want black. That's what I want. And I wanted to grab the paint from my edge catcher, but I don't think that I'm going to do that. I'll just leave it on there and use it. So that, as I agitate that, that's enamel, so that will sell. Some of that go over the side. Kind of like some, I don't know what I like. I'm not sure yet. I like to play with a straw. How about that? So I do sell my artwork, and my email address is directly below the Linktree link, where all the other links are underneath the video. I'm not sure about that. I just want to dump it all off and see what I get on my edge catcher and keep the rest and go grab an 8 by 10 inch canvas. I don't dump very often. But I sure do like stripes. I'm going to have to find a level spot to put this stuff down on. Or put it right back in. Or spread it out on my Lola Fee silicone mat and use it for something else later. So that just became a whole lot simpler. And that's okay with me. I really actually like this more now than I did a minute ago. So I am probably going to try and save that paint. We'll see what happens. In the meantime, I'm going to torch this and tell you guys, thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them longer. I really appreciate that. That's a big help to me. We got a few nice cells, some lacing over here. Kind of a simple composition, a lot like stripes. It looks like a skate down here and the sky up there, but it will be what it will be for whoever's looking at it. I'm sure that's pretty much the way accidental art goes. I think I had something on my corner there. I'm not seeing. There we go. And I'm going to go quick like a bunny and get another canvas and pour that off. So I have 1,360 plus videos, and you can find them on created playlists under all playlists on my channel. I need something I'm not finding. Why did it disappear? Oh, there it is. Cool. So I'm going to put this up on something for a minute. Cottage cheese lids come in very handy indeed. And I like the ridge side. That way I can take the rest of this paint and put it in there, because I'm not wasting it. It's too pretty. Be better if that didn't fall off though. Alright, so I love you guys. I think I said that. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard going, I'm going to quick need another little canvas. But I really like that. So thank you for joining me. And I think I mentioned I sell my artwork and my email address is under the link tree, but if I didn't, I will again. Teespring Clothing has Oliver print leggings and t-shirts. My Amazon link has my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and all kinds of other stuff. And if you would like to be of assistance to me, you will contemplate shopping there when you need supplies, because that will help me out at no added cost to you. And I do appreciate all of the donations from all the people who've helped keep me painting all this time. And if you want to be one of those in the future, you will automatically be included in the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes on the exhibition video on the end screen of any video, because I bulk edit them all in place. They should be everywhere. So I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I will see you anon. Check my Facebook group out, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, for tomorrow's video, or check the community board on my YouTube channel. Oh, and Phoenix Rising Priscilla Batzell Art has more of my videos without any commercials. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. I will see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.